Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. So I am going to do few sessions based on the students' doubts and queries for management accounting, specifically for standard costing, performance management, and budgeting. These sections where you would be getting the 10-mark questions. And also I'll be doing those 2-mark questions of those particular areas. And even if you have any more questions related to management accounting exam kit, you can just shoot that to me and I'll make videos on that. So I'll make sure that I provide proper solving sessions of these questions in the same way how you can manage it in your main examination and how you can avoid confusion in the question terminology. I'll also share that with you in these sessions. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with the ACCA students who are going to give the management accounting examination. And I'm going to teach it completely in English only because the examination is going to be in that same language. So bear with me for that. And I'll see you guys in the upcoming sessions. Make sure that you share this video. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next session, just starting shortly.